Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm very happy to be with you in another session, as usual, in English grammar in use. If you see well, look what you are going to learn there. We are going to discuss about when and how long, for and since. And you see, this is very important for the speaker, for someone who wants to speak English. You have to know when I will use when while I'm speaking, how long, for and since, while I'm speaking English. Let's compare. When, we use when to refer past simple. And we use how long to refer to present perfect. Example A. When did it start learning? We have when and did. When plus past simple. B. It started learning an hour ago or at 1 o'clock. C. How long does it been raining? How long plus present perfect or present continuous tense. Are we together, my friend? Okay. D. It has been raining for an hour or since 1 hour. The answer for the question. E. Question E. When did Carol and Joe first met? When did Carol and Joe first met? Answer. They first met a long time ago. G. How long have Joe and Carol known each other? How long has Joe and Carol known each other? Present perfect. They have known each other for so long. My friend, this is an example which helps us to dive into the use of when and how long. What you have to know here, we use the how long plus present perfect or present continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense. And we use when in the sentence where we have past simple. We use both for and since to say how long something has been happening. Are we together? We use for and since to say when, to say how long something has been happening. Dukoresha since na for dushaka kuvuga uburyo ikintu cyangwa se igihe ikintu cyamaze kiba. Nice. Igihe ikintu cyamaze kigirute kiba. Tubonye ko dukoresha when mu nteruro iri muri simple past. Cyangwa dukoresha when igihe tubibaza ikibazo ariko icyo kibazo kwa kiri muri past. How long igomba kuba iri muri present perfect cyangwa se present perfect continuous. We use for when we say a period of time, 2 hours, 6 weeks, etc. Example there. I have been waiting for 2 hours. This is an example where we use for. We use for when we say a period of time. I have been waiting for 2 hours. I have been waiting somebody. I have been waiting you for 2 hours. Sari has been working here for 6 months. Sari have been working here for 6 months. I haven't seen Tom for 3 days. Not since 3 days. Those are the examples which helps us to know how we use for to indicate a period of time. How do we use since? We use since when we say the start of a period. For example, Monday, 8 o'clock, 1993. etc. The start of a period. I have been waiting for 8 o'clock. I have been waiting somebody from 8 o'clock until the time of speaking. I have been waiting somebody since 8 o'clock. Sari have been working here since April, meaning that Sari has been working here from April until the time of speaking. Example 3. I haven't seen Tom since Monday. This means that I haven't seen Tom from Monday up to the time of speaking. Notice, we don't use for plus all. Never use for where we have all. For example, I have lived here for my life. Or I have lived there for my life. Not, I have lived there for all my life. That is mistake. We say it is plus a long time, 2 years, etc. since something happened. Dukoresha it is, tukongeraho a long time, 2 hours, since something happened. For example there, it is 2 hours plus since I last saw John. Another example, it is ages since we went to the cinema. Ni miaka myinshi ishize kuva tuja muri cinema. Thank you so much, my friend. Don't forget to subscribe. We have been discussing about the use of when, how long, since, and for. We have seen that we use when for past simple. We use how long for present perfect or present perfect continuous tense. And we use for showing a period of time, and since for starting or for the start of a period of time. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe.